So I recently came across a video which talked about how to get a successful YouTube channel, and so today I'm going to be sharing with you the blueprint to getting a successful YouTube channel from day one. And so firstly, you have to think about approaching YouTube, and actually 3 billion people search on YouTube every single day, and YouTube is a great source for passive income. And there's basically 2 main ways to approach making videos. So basically, the first one is you publish your video, and then you hope that the algorithm will pick up your video. And the other ways is to work with the natural function of the YouTube algorithm, and make the algorithm work for you. So to do this, you have to basically just think about your target viewers, and what you can do to talk about your topic with a sense of credibility and authority. And by doing that, you'll get an audience, and you'll be consistently discovered by new audiences who want to pay for your knowledge. And so first I'll talk about the way that most people approach. So it's that they first just make videos on random content, and then it just goes in a cycle where they make more random content, and they just keep doing that, and they just keep guessing and hoping about what will work. However, I think that it might actually be quite good for YouTubers who are just starting, as it will make them find out and be able to discover what they're truly passionate about, and about what their viewers like to see as well. And so maybe after 100 videos of doing that, you'll be able to find out what truly works. And after that, you should think about how to dominate the algorithm, and you have to think about the ideal viewer and the relevant content, and the algorithm categorization, and the traffic sources. And if you make your videos and think about these in mind, then you'll be able to attract more people to your videos, and make them want to gain the value that you provide with them. And so at first, no one really cares, so you have to make people know about your videos and try to reach them. And so at first, people come across your videos when they search it on YouTube. And once they come across your videos and they might find it interesting, they might subscribe, and then they'll get suggested your videos, and then that keeps going in a cycle. And then eventually, if your videos become very popular, you'll be able to your videos might appear just on your on people's home pages. And that's basically where you get to the point where where the algorithm promotes your videos, and it will be a lot easier to get recognized by your viewers. And then I'm going to be talking about the email list. So basically, you can, once you get a steady amount of viewers, you can drive your audience to an email list. And you can build your own audience, not only on YouTube but also off platform in other ways, maybe through a website or through emails. And every time you post a new video, you can send them an email which will notify them, and it will keep them updated. And that'll make it so that you can just stop waiting for the algorithm to pick up your video. You can take action yourself, and the viewers will be notified if a new video drops, or if you plan on starting something new. And so how do you do it? Well, basically you have to think about your content and your call to action. And even if you have nothing to sell, then you should set it up so people know about it. So when you do have something to sell, then it'll be a lot easier. And you have to think, you can start with a call to action you can start a cycle with the call to action and then the lead magnet, and then with more emails, and to get and the lead magnet could be through a free item where that basically attracts more people, and then you can get more of them to call to action, and then more of them through call to action, and then spread with more emails, and once you do that, you'll basically be able to generate a lot of money with and spread your audience as well. I hope you learned something. Mainly, you have to think about approaching YouTube through, and then also the way you make videos through. Once you discover what you should what works for you, you should think about the way you can master the algorithm, and then think about how you can transfer the viewers on YouTube to your email list, and then after that, thinking about creating a cycle through a call to action and then a lead magnet and then your emails. I hope you learned something. Thank you.